Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you 5 best spinning fishing reel. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. Abu Garcia Zata Spinning Fishing Reel. Brand, Abu Garcia. Fishing technique, spinning. Hand orientation, ambidextrous. Color, metal. Material, aluminum, stainless steel. Item weight, 10.93 ounces. Gearbox ratio, 6.2. Special feature, lightweight. Model name, Abu Garcia Zata. Handle material, stainless steel. Abu Garcia Zata Spinning Fishing Reel, combining sleek reel design and performance in a compact package. The Abu Garcia Zata Spinning Reel provides a smooth, durable platform for all fishing situations. Recovery rate, recover 38-inch 96 centimeters of line for every turn of the crank. Gear ratio of 6.2 to 1. Stainless steel main shaft and components and an Everlast bail system improve corrosion resistance and durability. 10+1 stainless steel bearing system. The Zata features 10 stainless steel ball bearings plus 1 roller bearing to provide smooth operation. Right/left handle position. Carbon fiber front drag system. A carbon matrix drag system provides smooth, consistent pressure across the entire range. Max drag of 14 pounds, 6.4 kilograms. Monocapacity YD/LB, 210/10180/12150/14. Brake capacity, 210/14. Rocket line management. Zata spinning reels feature a rocket line management system and rocket spool lip design, giving you better control over all types of line coming off the spool. Number 2. PENN Pursuit 4 Spinning Fishing Reel. Brand, PENN. Fishing technique, spinning. Hand orientation, ambidextrous. Color, black-silver. Material, aluminum. Item weight, 350 grams. Model name, Puriv 4000. Handle material, aluminum. Bearing material, stainless steel. PENN Pursuit 4 Inshore Spinning Reel. The PENN Pursuit 4 freshwater/saltwater spinning reel combines smooth power, speed, durability, and ultralight performance. Sleek and durable, PENN Pursuit 4 fishing reels feature a corrosion-resistant graphite body and line capacity rings. The machined and anodized aluminum superline spool manages hundreds of yards of line. Size 4000 reel. Smooth, efficient gears, recovers at the rate of 37-inch 94 centimeters with every turn of the crank. Gear ratio of 6.2 to 1. Right/left handle position for all anglers. 5 total bearings. The Pursuit 4 features 4 sealed stainless steel ball bearings plus 1 instant anti-reverse bearing, providing fast hookups. HT100 front drag system, built with carbon fiber drag washers for a max drag of 15 pounds, 6.8 kilograms. This system will exhaust the fish without wearing you down. Monocapacity YD/LB, 270/8 220/10 165/12. Brake capacity 360/15 260/2185/30. Number 3. PENN Pursuit 4 Spinning Fishing Reel. Brand, PENN. Fishing technique, spinning. Hand orientation, ambidextrous. Color, black-silver. Material, aluminum. Item weight, 280 grams. Gearbox ratio, 5.6. Model name, Puriv 2500. Handle material, aluminum. Bearing material, stainless steel. PENN Battle 2 Spinning Inshore Reel. The PENN Battle 2 offers aesthetically pleasing design, durable performance, and an attractive price point is just a few of the many reasons why so many anglers fish this reel. Durable construction, full metal body, side plate and rotor help to maintain precision gear alignment in the toughest battles. Features a sleek black gold smoke design. Smooth, efficient gears, recovers at the rate of 41-inch 104 centimeters with every turn of the crank. Gear ratio of 5.6 to 1. Right/left handle position for all anglers. Size 6000 reel. 6 total bearings. The Battle 2 fishing reels feature 5 sealed stainless steel ball bearings plus 1 instant anti-reverse bearing, providing fast hookups. HT100 front drag system, built with carbon fiber drag washers for a max drag of 25 pounds 11.3 kilograms, this system will exhaust the fish without wearing you down. Monocapacity YD/LB, 335/15 230/2210/25. Brake capacity YD/LB, 490/3390/4335/50. Number 4. KastKing Brutus Spincast Fishing Reel. Easy-to-use push-button casting design, high-speed 4.0 to 1 gear ratio, 5 maxi-dur ball bearings, reversible handle for left/right retrieve, includes monofilament line. Brand, KastKing. Hand orientation, ambidextrous. Color, Model 30. Material, graphite. Fishing technique, Spincast. Item weight, 9.88 ounces. Gearbox ratio, 4.0. Special feature, anti-reverse. Model name, Brutus. Handle material, aluminum. High performance, the heart of a good spin casting fishing reel is in the line pickup system. KastKing Brutus Spin Caster Reel features a stainless steel, dual pickup system that grabs slack line quickly so you can quickly be ready to set the hook or make another cast. High speed, with 4.0 to 1 gear ratio, KastKing Brutus Spincast fishing reels will pick up line faster and save time in between casts. More importantly, you catch up quickly with fish that may make a run directly at the angler and eliminate slack in your line to increase catch rate. Smooth and durable, Brutus Spincast reels are built for smooth performance with 5 stainless steel, double-shielded ball bearings that make this the smoothest bullet reel available today. Reversible handle, unlike most spin casting reels, the KastKing Brutus push-button fishing reel features an amazing aluminum, reversible, double paddle handle with durable rubber grips that can quickly and easily be changed from left or right hand retrieve by simply removing the handle retainer cap and moving the handle to the opposite side of the reel. This important feature means that you can have just one spincast reel that best fits any angler's fishing style. Number 5. KastKing Megatron Spinning Reel. Freshwater and saltwater spinning fishing reel. Rigid aluminum frame 7+1 double-shielded stainless steel BB. Over 30 pounds. Carbon drag, CNC aluminum spool and handle. Brand, KastKing. Fishing technique, spinning. Hand orientation, ambidextrous. Color, black. Material, metal. Item weight, 0.52 kilograms. Special feature, anti-reverse. Handle material, aluminum. Bearing material, stainless steel. Bearing number, 7+1. Most powerful transformer in fishing, KastKing Megatron transforms the industry with the rollout of another great freshwater and saltwater fishing reel. The Megatron spinning reel brings you a unique, geometrical, ionic engineering design. A spinning reel of this rugged build and unique optics deserves a special place in your fishing tackle arsenal. Its precise geometric forms offer a distinct Autobot look that set it apart from all others and helps reduce weight while maintaining strength. Rigid aluminum skeletal frame, the KastKing Megatron Spin Fishing Reel is built for enormous strength and endless durability. The Megatron Aerospace aluminum alloy skeletal design frame is more than a great look. It's the basis for its strength to battle hard fighting fish in fresh and saltwater. With its matrix of leadership, KastKing rolls out this series of affordable metal body reels and sends a shock wave through the industry. KastKing Megatron transforms you into the angler you want to be. Pro-level quality gears, Megatron spinning reels provide maximum performance and strength for all tournament anglers looking for victory. The main drive gear is made of durable zinc alloy matched with a pinion gear machined from solid brass. Both deliver rigidity and smoothness needed in building reels ready to tackle tough conditions. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.